Today is the first day of Get Slimed, a new TCA summer camp. I'm so excited! Miss McKinley, I can't believe you're here for summer camp. Oh my goodness, Lily is wearing gloves while doing her slime project. I was hoping they would be a thing since gloves were a childhood fascination for me. Okay, everyone, we are going to do a little experiment. We're gonna need safety goggles and gloves. Arrgh, why can't I get them to work right? Here are some replacements. Pink may not be my favorite, but it's better than what I had before. McKinley is helping Lily again. The pink goes well with the red, even though gloves aren't an article of clothing. That was all I could remember from this summer camp, but it was a great one.